viewers and subscribers! Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, this video is for the Toshiba users and to those who are planning to buy it. So this will be just a quick tutorial and information that I would like to share to you today. So one of our viewers, maybe just bought this unit, Toshiba the Great Waves fully automatic washing machine, commented and asked me why this washing machine doesn't have an automatic clean tub. So actually made an effort to ask the staff, someone from Toshiba, about this question, and he said that of course guys, this unit promises us 26.9 energy savings and 22.2 time saving. So why did Toshiba didn't make it automatic? So first reason, of course, is that reason to deliver that feature and promise that we can save time and energy. One more thing is, I would just like to add this question for the clarification of everyone. Maybe some of you are not using clean tub feature, but I think if you have a fully automatic washing machine or washing machine in your house, you have to use this clean tub feature, whether it's automatic or it's in manual mode, because tub cleaning will help your washing machine to perform in an optimal performance. So it removes detergent buildup and other residue, and also keep your wash drum nice and clean. It will, the smell, sometimes when you wash, right, the smell of your laundry will stick to the drum. This feature will help you to remove those unpleasant smells. Okay, so that's all guys. So thank you so much for supporting my channel, and big shout out to iClaro TV and Rakitera channel. Thank you for supporting me, and also to Sir Larry Serna, and of course someone from Toshiba, someone that I can always ask your questions. Big shout out to Sir Ivan from Toshiba Philippines. Thank you so much, sir. That will be all for today. I hope you learned something from me today, and please don't forget to like this video and to share this video and to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for you to be notified for every video that I'm going to upload in the future. Thank you so much.